Welcome to 30-Day Mindset Reset audio series. Day 2. Small thoughts create big lives. What if I told you your life isn't limited by your ability, your luck, or your circumstances, but by the small thoughts you repeat every day? Most people never notice them, but they decide everything. Main message: big lives are not built in big moments. They are built in quiet moments, by quiet thoughts, repeated daily. A single thought seems harmless. I'll start tomorrow. I'm not ready yet. This isn't for people like me. One thought doesn't change your life, but the same thought every day becomes your belief. And beliefs shape actions, actions shape habits, habits shape destiny. Here's a truth most people ignore. Your mind believes what you tell it most often, not what is most true. So when you repeat small limiting thoughts, your life shrinks slowly, silently. But when you repeat small empowering thoughts, your life expands naturally. Successful people don't think bigger overnight. They think slightly better today than they did yesterday, and they keep doing that until growth becomes inevitable. Reflection. Pause for a moment. Think about your inner voice today. What is the most common thought you say to yourself? Is it helping you grow or keeping you small? Because that thought is rehearsing your future. Action stepped. Today's reset is simple. When a negative thought appears, don't fight it. Replace it. When your mind says, I can't do this, you say, I'm learning. When it says, this will take too long, you say, one step is enough today. Just one replacement. Repeat it daily. That's how big lives are built. Small thoughts don't stay small. They compound, they grow, they become your life. This is day 2 of the 30-Day Mindset Reset. If this message helped you think differently today, and you want to continue this daily mental reset, subscribe to 360 Book Wisdom and join us tomorrow for day 3. You become what you repeatedly think. A few minutes a day can quietly change everything. If you're new to this series and you haven't listened to day 1 yet, your mindset is the root of everything, I strongly recommend starting there. That foundation makes everything else clearer. You can click here or check the link in the description to listen to day 1 before continuing the journey. And when you're ready, come back and continue with us.